Hey, it's Rick Caselge, renowned health and fitness expert and founder of exercisesforinjuries.com. St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner. Are you as excited as I am? If you're like me, it's one of your favorite holidays. My mouth is watering just thinking about those delicious Irish meals. But traditional Irish dishes won't win any nutrition awards. In fact, most are a calorie and high carb nightmare. They're loaded with sugars, gluten, trans fats, hydrogenated oils, and other inflammatory ingredients that can lead to weight gain, heart disease, diabetes, stroke, and other serious health problems. But there is great news. You won't need the luck of the Irish to eat healthy this St. Patrick's Day. You'll finally be able to celebrate this festive holiday with classic Irish dishes that only contain the healthiest anti-inflammatory ingredients. My team of chefs and nutritionists spent hours creating the best St. Paddy's Day recipes that improve and protect your health without sacrificing great flavor. Next, we compiled them into one amazing cookbook, the St. Patrick's Day's Favorites, 17 mouthwatering traditional Irish recipes with an anti-inflammatory twist. The best part, this incredible cookbook is yours for free as my gift to you. These delectable Irish dishes are wonderful to share at a party with friends or to celebrate at home with your family. Not a Martha Stewart in the kitchen? No problem. You'll receive step-by-step instructions for preparing these tasty Irish recipes, including sweet potato pancakes, potato soup with leek and yogurt, cauliflower shepherd's pie, slow-cooked lamb stew, corned beef with turmeric sautéed cabbage, gluten-free Irish soda bread, minty lime chocolate bites, and many more. Are you ready to receive this life-enhancing cookbook? Simply click the link down below to receive instant access to the St. Patrick's Day favorites. That's it. Enjoy.